Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Tech World.
Hello everyone. Welcome back to Tech World. In today's tutorial, I'll be helping you learn how to log into Two Rivers bank account. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Could open any web browser in order to begin. Once you do that, in the URL box, type in www.tworivers.bank and press enter. This is the official website of Two Rivers. Now, in order to log in, you'll be able to see a login box in yellow where you can enter your credential. In the username text field, type in your username. In case you forgot your username, click on Forgot Username link right here and follow the instructions. If you don't have an account yet, then you'll need to enroll first. Click on the Enroll link and register yourself to a new account from the drop-down. Choose on your account type and enter your credentials to log in. After you're done, click on the Sign In button. Wait for a few seconds and you can see that the password text field has appeared. Now type in the password for your account. Make sure to type in the correct password every time you log into your account. If you want to double check your password before moving on, click on this icon. Doing this will reveal your password. Now if you want a system to remember your username, then click on this link right here. If you are using a public device, then do not click on this. In case you've forgotten your password, then you can click on the Forgot Password link and follow the instructions to reset your password. After you're done entering all the credentials needed, click on the Sign In button in order to log into Two Rivers bank account. That is all for today. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.